Hey, Alvin.
Hey everybody, my name is Kat, and I've got something special to share with you. My husband paid a visit to a place we've affectionately labeled the birdhouse today. Now, where we live, we have some pretty scarce bird resources, no bird stores, not really any rescues or anything like that. The nearest avian vet is about an hour away too. So when we got into birds, we met Steve, a local man who just loves birds and shares his fondness for them with the community. He provides grooming, training, daycare, foster care, and rehoming, to name a few. He's a great resource to have, with an abundance of knowledge and decades of experience. Some of the birds you're seeing on the screen right now are either his own rescues or some birds just paying him a visit. If you like the video and would like to see more, don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Our YouTube channel is in its crawl stage, but we hope to provide our viewers with lots of bird-related content in the near future so we can walk, run, and soar together.
Buddy. Hello. Would you like to step up?
Oh boy, bring him right in.
Can I get a kiss?
Pretty good.
Can I get a kiss? Thank you, Alvin. Thank you, yeah. You wanna go back up? No? This is Alvin. African gray. Weighs about 4 ounces, maybe a little bit more, soaking wet. And he smells like a bird. Yeah, you do. You smell like a bird. You know that? You gonna say hello to the camera? Yeah, Alvin. Hey. So can you say hello? Give it a kiss. Give him a kiss. Good, Alvin. Let's get you back on this.
There you go.
I'm excited, guys. Got birds everywhere. Well, they're inside, but big bird on cameraman's shoulder right now.
This is professionally shot by Jimmy Ray. Spot for.
Now, Jimmy's a little bit different. He is a rescue bird, but he's been with Steve for what? How many?
12 years?
12 years. So I was gonna say 14.
But
Okay.
15 years of abuse he had previously.
So yeah, I mean, you can just look in Jimmy's eyes and you just tell he's a sweet bird, like simple as that.
Yeah. Ready?
I mean, look at that, guys.
Okay, let go. It's okay. I'm not gonna dump you in the pool. Let go. I'm not gonna dump you in the pool. I'm not gonna. You don't have to go swimming right now. Go. Yeah. Over here, Jim. Oh, Jimmy. Over here. Hi.
So you understand?
You don't want that. It's gonna stunt your growth. It's my.
You guys wanted it. This is what happens on the birdhouse.
Okay, come on.
Come on, Jim.
Come on, Jim. That's the best.
Where you going? Come here.
Come on, go down. Tiki, you want to come out? Huh? Come here, give me a kiss. Come on. Yeah. I'm going back inside. Hop up, Jim. You ready? Hold on. Step up. Buddies. Go, give me a kiss.
Okay, so I'm gonna take.
No, he thought I was going to throw him in the pool. He thought that he was going in the pool. Jump! Jump! Where you going, Jim? Where you going?
Charlie? Where are we going, Jim? Okay. Let's go. Yeah. You wanna come out? You can come out.
I tore down his playroom because the bug guy was here, so
Oh,
I just
yeah.
put that back together again. Hey, Jim.
Hey, Hammy.
Okay. Okay. Step on there. There.
Where we going, Jimmy?
That's good boy. It's Charlene. Her claws are a little sharp. It's okay. It's okay.
Guys, sorry. I froze up a little bit. Where we going, Jim?
Jim, you ready? Go get it. Get it.
Jimmy, you gotta do some more jumping. I
Get
didn't
it.
get any of that.
Come here. Bring it here.
Jimmy!
Come here. Thank you. We play fetch. Fetch.
I think I'm growing on him.
Yeah. I mean, this is, him being the dog chasing
Oh,
the
you
ball.
don't the food stuff. It's okay, Jimmy. Yeah.
Good boy.
Alright, throw it.
Nice throw.
I got it.
Nice throw.
I thought I was behind. I thought you don't like that.
That's good. You threw it and you caught it. I mean, and you said throw
You
it.
ready? I got it. You ready?
Throw.
Oh, I like that shit. You ready? Woo!
Go get it. Go get it.
Woo!
Get it. Oh, you fell in the trap.
It's funny. Dammy!
Get it.
Dammy! Go get the pine cone! Go get the pine cone, Jimbo! Jammy! Hey, hi! That for me? I got it, Jimmy! Go get it! Whoa! That was too much for you?
Nice throw.
Good job, Jimmy.
Woo!
Yeah! What's this? What's that, Jimmy? What's that? I can't get the pine cone. He won't let me. You think it's a game? Damn it! Whoa! Oh, I got you, Jimmy. Hold on, Boo. I got one of those too. Whoa! I think your hair's better than mine, Jimmy. You think his hair's better than mine?
I don't know. It's pretty cute.
Thanks. You see? Woo!
Certainly something I can't offer him.
You having a good old time. Jimmy!
No, I'm watching you.
I got it.
I'm watching you.
I got this.
Yes.
Jimmy, what are you doing? Boo. Boom, boom. You just beating the car up? Scott? You ready? Oh, you did it. You go, Jimmy. Good job. Okay. Oh, I won. Well, I won, buddy.
Woo!